Hi friends, this is Sachi from Sachi's Creative Mind. Today I'd like to show you how did I create this layout. I created this based on the sketch number 3 from Creative Memories Virtual Club, April 2026. The sketch was 2 pages spread. I only created 1 page this time. And before we start, this is actually created only 1 piece of designer paper and 1 piece of cardstock for the background and the mat. Also, a little bit of white cardstock. Well, I actually used those, cover page in a designer paper pack. I used the back side of this for the wavy part. So this might look like material rich project, but I only use a few sheets of paper and I used inks. For this part, I used lots of blues, and for the sun, I used like a red food colored inks. And I'm thinking to make this video in 2 parts. The first part, I'm showing you how to create this wavy part. And for the second part, I will show how did I create the sun. This is gonna be a fun project. All right, let's get started. Here's the material you will need to create wavy part. I'm going to use, those cover page of the designer paper. You can use white piece of cardstock if you'd prefer. And this custom cutting system wavy pattern. We are going to use this as a tearing tool. And you will need a cutting mat to hold the paper in place. And whatever the blue inks you have, I have those 4 blue kind of inks, and I also use black to add a little bit of depth. And so I'm going to use 1 brush. If you like to use individual brush for each color, go ahead and do so. I don't mind mixing color with 1 brush, so I'm going to use only 1 brush. All right, so place the paper wherever, it doesn't matter, and place your cutting tool. Well, we're not cutting, actually, we are tearing. And we are going to use this wavy side. And place this and tear a paper along the edge. Okay. See? So this is how it looks. It has some, not straight, a little rough edge. I like how it looks. So I'm going to use this as a template to create the wave. And I'm going to cut this. The width doesn't matter. I just go ahead and cut whatever width, because this is just a template. The height doesn't matter. All right, and I'm going to make my wavy border on this sheet. And this is going to be my template. All right, let me move my cutting mat aside. And we are going to ink. All right. So I'm going to start from the bottom and place your pattern to the bottom like that. And I will start with this summer sky. You can do however you like. And use a brush like that. and start inking. It doesn't have to be perfect. Take your time and start inking. And if your pattern moves, it's okay. Just bring it back and inking. Do you like your ink? I love this. It's so fun. I've been playing with those inks these days. This is so fun. Right. It doesn't have to be perfect. And it looks like that. Looking good to me. Then move your pattern, the template, slightly to upper side. I will not doing like this, slightly like that. And let me use different color, but well, let me clean my brush like this. It's kind of cleaning and inking at the same time. And then I like to use this Danube blue. I don't know how to pronounce this. And I just want to do different color here. As you can see, some part I did too much ink, but it's okay. I don't mind. And then move your template and ink the other part. Like that. And you don't have to make the perfect waves right now. We can add more color later. So let me use different color now. I just keep the inks open like that. It might, I don't know, for some people it's not comfortable like that, but I'm fine. I'm fine. Like that. So mixing colors like that. We'll do, let's see, how about this color? It's a teal. It's blue and green teal color. I love that. So there's no rule like how you do inking. Just do however you like. That's the fun part. So you mix the color and change your template. You change the place of your template so that it gives more random waves pattern, and it's fun, right? And I don't need whole sheet of waves, so I think this is good enough. So I'll go ahead and add more color, like a layering color, random, like that. Let's see. Just doing however you like. All right. Okay, so once you're done with those blue pattern, then go ahead and use a little bit of black gently. You don't want it too much black here, but it gives a depth to it. So I like to add a little bit of black in some part. I don't want it too juicy here. I'd like to make it here a little darker. So let me add, let's see, this color. Okay. Yeah. So you add more inks until you like how it looks. So I think I like how it looks now. Alright, I might add more inks later, but let me put those aside for now. And bring your pattern here again, and we're gonna tear this again, and we'd like to tear along the side. So this time the pattern should go like that. Okay, right here. So place it, and we're gonna tear. This might be a little tricky. Take your time and tear. All right. Here's my waves. And if you like to add more color, go ahead and do so. I might add a little bit of color here, there, here and there. Until you like how it looks. This is so fun. This is so fun. All right. So this is how I created this wavy part. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. I can't wait to see what you create with this technique. In the next video, I will show you how to create the sun. Bye for now.